Hey guys, we're back with another video today. Today we're gonna actually be destroying fidget spinners because we're doing it and we have fidget spinners and we don't know what to do with them anymore because no one plays with them. So we're gonna be destructing fidget spinners today with me. Give them a shout out, boys. Follow me, Sunny Carmini 1. So this is going to be on both of our channels, so don't forget to drop a comment, like, and subscribe, and also press that bell button so you can be notified when we do our next videos. I'm really bad at saying that. So, but also, happy Christmas. Hope you all had a great Christmas, and I hope you enjoyed your presents. So we'll get right into it. Alright, so we're going to be doing the first punishment to the fidget spinner. So what we're going to be doing, getting this knife, lovely knife I got from a shop. We're going to be going in there. I'm going to put a hole in it. And trying to stick it out. Oh, it's hard. Dab it in there. Alright, this isn't working, so we're just gonna almost there. Oh, ow. Alright, so maybe this will work. Almost. Alright, so I've got a tiny bit open, so a few holes in it. So what we're going to be doing now is we're taking it down to the fire and disintegrating it. Alright, so we got the matches now. So what we're going to do, alright, strike it, put wood on fire, chuck it in there, some wood on top of it.
You don't want the wind getting it.
Yeah, so we've got to make it get big now. It's actually a very successful fire. Alright, keep it alive. You've got to keep putting stuff from the bottom, applying it to the top, hoping that doesn't die. Yes, it's still alive. Keep it alive.
Maybe we should close the door.
We'll close it all. Yeah, stay alive, stay alive.
I think putting some sticks on it. There we go, wind's picking it up.
Nothing, just sticks at the moment.
Get right in there.
Yeah, you'll catch up, Alright.
Oh yeah, it's a big fire now.
We'll get it now. Is
the fidget spinner.
it's fidget spinner. I've had fun with it.
But the bearing fell out, it's happened.
Yeah, that's why I chose this one. Non-functioning, disgusting, atrocious fidget spinner. Burn. Maybe I should add one more match, eh?
No, that's fine.
No, one more.
Like for one more.
Like for one more. Like for two more, in fact, at the moment. Wait, no, actually. Yeah, it's fine at the moment. Let's bang it really quickly, see if the lights still work. Watch it. spiders trying to make webs on the shovel now. Oh, the lights, they still work. And they're still on, if you have a look in there. Yeah. This fidget spinner is actually pretty strong, eh? You can see the lights there. We need more sticks, Ollie. Get some leaves. Oh, I think this will do at the moment. A bit more leaves. Now those leaves are really smoky. Like for vape, boys. You didn't see that. Really crap vape. We get the shovel so they can see the fidget spinner. Alright, so we're just gonna wait for these sticks to die. Need some more, get some more on. And we'll just grab the fidget spinner. There, shove it there. Still can't see it. Oh. It's dying on. It's dying. And the fire's dead right now, so what we're gonna do, well, the fidget spinner, I think it will be really hot, so we'll be back soon. When it's... Alright, so we got the fidget. I should say like dinner now because it's like dead. Not fidget dinner, fidget deader. So what actually happened, I'm pretty lucky. I put that out early because the batteries came out and they're lithium, so if they caught fire, crap, that'd be unlucky. So I'm gonna have to wash my hands immediately after this because this would probably be covered in lithium. But before I put the water on these, I think it was this, the lights on this were actually still working. So this is what left of that fidget spinner. So yeah. Alright, so this is what is left of the fidget spinner.
Looks like marshmallows.
Yeah, I have to admit. So like you see, this is very burnt. Oh, it smells like dead ants. So alright, so thanks for watching this video, and if you like, comment and subscribe, you'll get to see more awesome videos like this. But also, I've got a special surprise for you coming up. Instead of the phone case giveaway, if we hit 20 subscribers, we'll be giving away this Indo board, which is like where you balance on it. So I'll be making a video of that very shortly, possibly tonight even. So if you want this, like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bells, and I'll see you in the next video.